A lot of perseverance.
You don't persevere over biological advantages. Effect, because it affects your olfactory sensory perception. So when you ask the question about subliminals has to take a whole
episodes. There's a number of different variables that induces mania. Our objective here is not to study the epidemiology.
With divinity, panentheism have this internal, external, intrinsic, extrinsic factor. And panpsychism perspective, these things are very practical. And you can't explain this, which is a study of existence and authenticity.
Does it have frequency? Why does it have velocity? Why does it have acceleration? Why does it have momentum?
A narrative in a universe that's sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception.
Trajectory that occurs.
We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.